Okay, this is IELTS speaking part 1, and
Yes.
I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. And try to answer in 5 to 6 sentences, and your answer must contain 3 parts. Part 1, direct answer. Part 2, elaborate your answer. And part 3, conclude your answer. It's DEC. D for direct answer, E for elaborate your answer, and C for conclude your answer. Okay? Now let's make a start. Do you often stay up late at night? Stay up late at night means you go to bed very late. So,
Yes, I often stay up at, late at night because of my children, and those are very um, very younger children, and 3 years old and 2 years old, and they usually if they sleep in morning very often in afternoon, then they don't sleep early at night, and I have to wake up for them. If they sleep at night early, then I
okay.
can also sleep.
Did you stay up late at night when you were a child or when you were a kid?
Yes, in past, in childhood, when there were exams, when I wanted to become a prefect of my class, I wanted to get first position, and then I usually woke up.
I used to.
I
I
used
used
to.
to go to bed very late at night and
used
all
to
that.
go-
Okay,
go
just
to
try
bed.
to arrange your answer and use appropriate words and try to use synonyms, rewording, and all that. Let's go on. What do you usually do when you go to bed late at night?
I usually do reading the books and searching different type of Google different type of topics as I am preparing for IELTS. Then I usually use different type of YouTube channels for preparing.
Okay, thank you. So
Preparing
just
that.
try to practice these topics so that you become fluent, and this problem should be resolved as well, right? Now, let's go on. Okay, do you miss your school life? It's your turn. Do you miss your school life?
Yes, I miss a lot of my school life because I miss my childhood friends, and now they are married. We don't meet nowadays because they are married and I'm also married now, and I miss my place where I used to get in the break time, and
Okay, that's a good start. So in the end, try to conclude your answer
Yes.
and organize your answer, okay?
Yes.
Let's go on. Who was your favorite teacher at school?
my favorite teacher was my English teacher. She is very friendly with us.
She was very friendly with us.
Yes, she was very friendly with us, and she teaches us a lot of
She
things.
taught us,
She
past
taught
tense.
us. She taught us a lot of things related to our
Yeah, related
topic,
to all the subjects.
related to all the subjects.
Okay, thank you. Who was your best friend at school?
My best friend, she was also my neighbor. Her name is Zainab. She, we are almost same age.
Okay.
Age fellow.
It's a good idea to talk about your friend in the past. When I
Okay.
was at school, my best friend was Zainab, and she was my neighbor as well.
Yes.
And we used to go to school together. We used to sit together in the school. And even today, she is my best friend.
Yes.
I mean, you need to see what is the tense and answer according to the tense, okay?
Okay.
Good job. All the best. Thank you.